Ganzakwethu it is Durban Network. Sasekhona la enkabeni yeTheku eCity Hall eduze kwami uAzola Mkhano from the Eastern Cape. Sisazola Sibingelele.
Hello bhuti unjani?
Siyaphila nathi.
Siyaphila.
Yes, namhlanje nithetha nizokile yemarch and march siyazi ukuthi ama head of state amazwe ahlukene akwi-SADC region azobe hlangene e-ICC. Kungani nithe nizohamba all the way from Eastern Cape to here?
Okay. Igama lami nguAzola Mkhano. The reason why we are here today is because we are supporting the motion that SADC must come not to negotiate anything but to come and fetch their people back home, because it's been long overdue. We've been marching and we're expecting them as leaders to do the right thing and take their people back home. We don't have any negotiations with them. They mustn't negotiate anything with our people, but they must take their people to their homes.
Sisazola, knowing very well ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi ba-aware ngale situation. Mhlampe awuboni ukuthi lokho bayokushaya indiva.
No. This is a demand. This is not. We are not asking them, but we are telling them because we are South African citizens, and we've got a full right of telling them to take their people back home. So we are not giving them any choice, but they must take them home. Yeah.
Okunye sike sakuzwa nikhuluma ukuthi kuma operations enwenzayo niyabathola abantu abanye aba illegal baboshwe kodwa niphinde nibone sebekhona futhi.
Yeah, that is very disappointing. We're expecting our justice system to entighten because in this we are doing as well a citizen arrest even in Eastern Cape, as I'm a leader from Eastern Cape, but we see that the justice system, they are just releasing them. You can't release someone ongamaziyo ukuthi ungubani igama lakhe ngowakuphi only because utsho bandinayo i-address enzofumaneka kuyo uzothi ukhangela bani. Yayibona. So they are failing us there. Yeah.
Yes, abona ngale Eastern Cape boshwa no Butsi akodwa kwahamba waphuma. Izini ezazibamba ukuthi aphume okanye mhlambe noma ngebay.
It was just they wanted to suppress us. They wanted to stop us, not knowing they are making us stronger. Because in the revolution, you know that you are going to be arrested, you are going to be a target. Some people they get hurt, some they are being murdered. So we know that is the journey. So they were trying to suppress us as much as they can, but we didn't stop, and we supported Usia until he was out.
What are some of the things enizibonayo endaweni enihlala kuzona ezama concern kakhulu with regards to foreigners?
It's the negligence from the government. They don't have any appetite. I will speak mostly about Eastern Cape. Our premier is so quiet. He is not working with us at all. Our mayor in BCM, she's so quiet. So their appetite is very low. So our government is just neglecting us. He's preferring foreigners more than us as South African citizens. Yeah. So those are the most challenges that we are facing.
Siyesabona nalapha kuGompo enikhala ngendawo ekuthiwa seyisidleke sama Nigerians bathengisa ama drugs. Sithina kanjani story sakho?
It's business as usual. Remember the mayor of BCM, she marched after March 30 and she promised that there will be no business in California. 2 days after her march, she was marching for her own self because she's got all the authority to do anything in the Buffalo City because she's the mayor, remember. But she chose to march for herself. And business after 2 days, business was as usual. So it was just nothing that she did because drugs in California and Vikings some sweetened and they are aware of that. And it's in the CBD. The police are there, they know that place, but they keep on, when we are marching to that place, they keep on blocking us.
Asikhulume ngeSouth Africa nohulumeni wakhona sifike kanjani kule nkinga yabantu abangaka abangena amaphepha eSouth Africa?
It's because of the negligence of the government, because this whole system, it's in their hand. You see, Home Affairs, immigration officers and SAPS, it is ruled by the government. So the failure that we are facing is the ruling government. So it's them who decided to make a country a pool of illegal foreigners. So it's still up to them if they have appetite and they are willing. It just needs a willingness to work with us and to make sure that they evict.
Kungani the wena uzosukuma ulimele lolu daba?
It's because I don't want to be blamed by my kids. I've got kids, and my great grandparents, they were fighting for us to so it is now our time to fight from Ingcinezelo, from the people that we have trusted, because the government that is leading, we have trusted them, but they have failed us. So it is our time to govern ourselves now. Yeah.
We can see a heavy police presence today. Now do you think izokwenzeka lento ekumele yenze?
Yeah, because we are free. We sikhululekile apha. Those peoples are not animals. They are getting. Remember, they are getting paid out of our own taxes, and you can see that our government is investing more on the people that must fight what we are doing, which is right, instead of doing the right thing. Remember, on the 30th of June, government has invested 600 million for one day, and they are claiming that they don't have money. Why didn't they take that money to transport these people back home if they are willing? It is just clear that they are not willing. Yeah, but we are going to push them. Wheelbarrow. If it has to, we are going to push them as wheelbarrows. Yeah.
Really appreciate your time.
Thank you.